What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, click that subscribe button to stay up to date on my newest videos. Without further ado, guys, I'm on my way to my friend's house. We're gonna go get the ice box for my lightning swap. There you go, some blower action. So we're gonna go get that ice box installed today. My brother just finished it up, and we're also gonna go see the GMC Sierra and the twin turbo Silverado. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be back. All right, so let's see that ice box. Just look at that bitch go in there. So we're getting some measurements. Got this little rag just so it won't hit my negative side, just for precautions. We're gonna get some measurements. This is my old one. Just look at that, super fucking small compared to this big boy. Done by my brother. I'm gonna cut these out because he just let them a little bit longer. He's like, just cut them where you want them. So we're gonna cut them about here, and the one on the bottom the same, about here. And we were just measuring because we're gonna get another little drainage to drain out the water when we're at the truck. So we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna drive you see that hole right up there in the bottom? We're gonna put the holes that's gonna come out through here. It's gonna come out through here, and then I'm gonna tie it down. You see, this is the other one that's going up. I'm gonna tie it down, and I'm just gonna put a little a valve, just open it to drain it out, then close it back in, and put all that ice, and we're gonna clean it out, and we'll see what's up. So let's look at that big old fucking cannon there, fucking nice. But once we start welding this, we'll come back and show you guys what's the process. ¿Dónde ya le cortaste o qué? Yeah. Hierro. That's where the drain's gonna go. He already drilled out the hole. Now he's just gonna measure and hold the little fitting. But like I said, we're gonna cut it up like around there. ¿Qué onda, hueleador? ¿Cómo quedaron?
She's ready, man.
She's ready. She's ready. Got this VT Lightning. Look at that monster right there. Another big monster up here. So they're still working on this truck. Just little adjustments they're doing here and there, trying to get them ready for Houston. But this one, she's ready to go. I'll show you guys the front end. Look at that massive turbo. But this truck's ready, guys. They're still just they're waiting on the fuel pump. That's it. Everything else is ready. Show you guys the engine, so you guys can see the engine pretty good. Precision turbo. Hey Derly, what size is the turbo?
Pro Mod 98.
Pro Mod 98 turbo. There you go, Pro Mod 98 turbo. There you guys, fucking beautiful setup. And what I like about this truck, you guys see it, fucking looks completely stock. Like on the outside look, completely stock. So he's just trying to keep that look, not make it seem on the outside like a full race truck. Everything in the interior is still good, still there, badass, all original parts. Still has a dashboard, but if you look at it, it looks beautiful. It's a beautiful truck. A lot of work been done to it, same as in that one, guys. So, well, the ice box is ready. So we're gonna see how it fits on my truck, and we're gonna try it out. Once we start getting it, I'm gonna do another cleanup on it, and we'll put it back in there, and we'll come back, guys, show you what's the results. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this one out of the way. I'm gonna disconnect the bottom clamp and the top clamp, but I'm gonna start with the bottom one, at least just to drain out what's in here. So there's gonna be my drainage, so it's gonna go all the way down like I said. I might leave it long like that, maybe just to have a little bit of more of a, or maybe just cut it a little bit, we'll see. This one I'm gonna leave it long because I got my my AC line right here, so it's gonna go on top of it, so I'm gonna leave that like that. And this one might as well do the same, just to be like that, hook it all the way up to here. So once the line's up here, it's not gonna show. So but yeah, I'm gonna move a little bit forward, then my brother's gonna weld the little bracket that's gonna go here, and she's gonna be ready to go, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so as I was doing the testing, I ran up into a little problem. Now it's working, you see, it's working pretty good. But I ran into a little problem that whenever I took off my turning pretty good. Whenever I took my line out, I drained a lot of coolant out of it, and it got air in it. The pump got some air, the lines, so I had to drop my pump. I'll show you guys. Had to drop my pump and get the air out of it and make it work again. So I'm gonna put it all the way up there again where the straps are at, and she'll be back on the road. So I'll be back once I get that in. So let's see it one more time. So it's working perfect compared to the other one I had, pretty small one. So this is pretty good. Yeah, I got it running. Good. Oh yeah. Compared to the other one, so we'll be back once I put the pump back in there, and I'll show you guys the rest. All right, so we got the pump back in. Just gonna roll the engine to the on position and see if it's still rolling pretty good. Really good. That's more flow in it. There's a little bind here, but I'll figure it out and fix it later. I'll get a little bit more extension on it. But for now, she's good. Now we're just gonna go out and cruise around and see where the temps are at, now that we have a bigger tank. So stay tuned. Right now that we know that our pump's working, we're gonna check our intake temps, and we're gonna run it, see what's up on our SCTX4. Got it mounted on the windshield. Processing data, please wait. So we're at 122 on idle. The truck's pretty warmed up already. Well, not that much, but she's kind of there. Been idle for a while. So we're gonna run it, and we'll be back once we start running on it and see how the temps are working on. Okay, so we've been running for about maybe 25 minutes already, and truck's at normal operation temperature. And what I've seen, my air intake temps haven't moved ever since. It's at 120, 116, 118, 120, and that's fucking good. Before, just rolling around without even stepping on it, just cruising around, that thing would jump up to 140, 150. Then we'll be back around 146, 147, 150. But once you go wide open throttle, the thing will go pick up like close to 160. So now we're just at 122. Yeah, 122 doesn't even move, and I just 124. But it's a very drastic change. So imagine with eyes, that thing's gonna go down pretty damn good. So I'll keep on rolling, guys, see what changes we'll make. I want to do a wide open throttle in a bit. I'm just gonna go to Mexico, and we'll see how it runs. All right, so we're in Mexico. I'm gonna do a 60 roll, see if our temperatures move. That's 100 already. 168 degrees on wide open throttle. Shit. That's pretty intense. My temps are going down quick. That was a 60 roll to 100 and I don't know, I just flicked 100, so my intake temps are going now down at 134. But 145, 150, and imagine a wide open throttle, because I had that little small coolant reservoir compared to this one. So right now my temperatures are 130 already, going to 128. So it's working pretty good. I didn't even turn off my AC. Still have my panel on, but remember guys, I could always switch my pump, because I still have my stock Bosch pump. I could switch that and flow more water, and once with everything's with a bigger pump and eyes and everything, is gonna work way better than what it is now. But I'm happy with the results. We'll just have to test it out once we put some eyes on it and test it on the track, see what it does, and start tuning it again. Try to manage to get that 12.8, 12.9 second pass. But for now, that's all guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace.